Okay, this is the speaking test of spoken English, batch number 122, and I'm your examiner. I will conduct your speaking test. Are you ready for starting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very firstly, could you tell me what's your full name, please?
My full name is Akishottodol Chinuk.
And what should I call you?
Actually, my nickname is Jinuk, so you can call me Chinuk.
Okay, Jinuk, how the spelling of your name?
J
Yeah,
double E
double E
N
N
U
U.
K.
Okay, okay, Jinuk. Where are you from?
Actually, I'm from Hobbygonz, to be more exact.
And Jinuk, what do you do? Do you work or are you a student?
Actually, I'm student. I am studying at Hobbygonz Degree College of class inter second year.
Okay, got it. And what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to listen music and singing song, watching movie.
Got it. And how many family members do you have?
There are 5 members in my family. They are my mother, my father, and we are 3 siblings.
Got it. And what's your position there? I mean, among your siblings, what's your position?
Second.
Second. Okay, got it. And what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math because math is very interesting.
What do you want to be in the future?
My future plan is to be a good teacher and teaching. I think teaching is a respectful and important profession, and I also want to be a singer. I hope I can to be a teacher and also singer.
Okay, very good. Thank you. And here is ended your speaking part 1. Move on speaking part 2. And in speaking part 2, I'm going to give you a topic. You will have 1 minute for speaking. And your topic is describe your favorite person.
My favorite person is my mother because she is very kind, caring, and loving. And my mother she is not just my mother; she is my best friend. She always helps me and support me in every situation. She understands me and she teaches me good manners and behaviors. She always support me. She always support me and she always thinks our happiness. She
Okay, got it. Thank you for speaking about your favorite person. Move on speaking part 3. And in the final part of speaking test, I'm going to ask you some questions about listening to music. Okay, do you like listening to music?
Definitely, I like listening to music. In fact, I'm a professional singer, and music is best part of my life. That's why I like very much.
Okay, got it. And what kind of music do you like to listen to?
As a professional singer, I like many kind of music, but I mostly like emotional and soft music, and I also enjoy modern song.
Okay, got it. And final questions: when do you usually listen to music?
Actually, I listen music in my free time. I also listen music when I practice singing.
Okay, got it. Thank you very much. And here is ended your speaking test. And wish you good luck.